Strap into the 2024 Audi RS3 and hold on as the small sports sedan is ready and willing to thrill its driver. Packing an unconventional 5-cylinder engine with 401 turbocharged horses, the RS3 has a signature sound and the ability to hit 60 mph in 3.3 seconds. The Audi also comes standard with a torque-vectoring all-wheel drive system that has a rear bias setting for amateur drifters. When this assertively styled four-door isn't being honed around town, it's happy to be raced around a track with its available R-compound track tires providing transformative grip and low lap times. The RS3 also has a softer side, with lots of luxury features and a comfortable cabin for those sitting in the front seats. At least, the sedan can seamlessly switch from bruiser to cruiser. We caution customers from overindulging in the options if they want to keep the price down. Still, we can't help but be smitten with the sassiest version of Audi's smallest sedan. One of the most distinct elements of the RS3 is its unusual 5-cylinder engine. Its odd number of cylinders gives it a unique thrumming soundtrack that was particularly pleasing on the outgoing model. The latest iteration is again a turbocharged 2.5-liter, but it now makes 401 horsepower. The engine pairs with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that deliberately downshifts with slight throttle inputs, but behaves less aggressively during hard braking. The RS3's standard all-wheel drive system includes a torque-vectoring rear differential with a drift mode. Unfortunately, getting the RS3's tail to kick out requires dedication and can be difficult to maintain. Compared with the lesser A3 and S3, the sportiest 3 has upgraded brakes, a stiffer suspension setup, and a unique set of wheels on stickier performance tires. The RS3 we drove produced exhilarating sounds, and the car's feisty nature was evident at the racetrack. Plus, it was composed and comfortable when driven sedately on regular roads. At our test track, we recorded a blisteringly quick 3.